issued a flash flood warning for Carlisle County, Kentucky, northern Graves County, Kentucky, until 6:15 a.m. At 12:21 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mayfield, Bardwell, Arlington, Fancy Farm, Lowe's, and Simpsonia. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Carlisle and Graves.